Welcome back. I'm Stacey, and I'm here to talk about the plan of the week. I'm so happy because I have my friend Kelly with me, but please forgive the shouting. We're doing a bit of social distancing.
Hi, Stacey.
Hi, Kel.
How are you?
Good. Thank you for joining me for the plan of the week. Do you know what it is?
I don't. What is it?
I'll give you a hint, Kelly. You are standing right in front of it.
It's so pretty. I was just admiring it earlier. It's got these great, delicate blooms. It's so pretty and cute.
It is cute. It is Bobo Hydrangea.
Even the name is cute. It's so little.
Yes, it is a cute name. Bobo Hydrangea is a cute name. But Kelly, this is more than a cute name. This is an awesome plant, and this is why we picked it for the plant of the week.
All right, well, it's awesome. But Stacey, I've got a really small yard. Can something like this work in it? Like, I don't know if it'll fit.
100%, Kelly. This is known to be a compact shrub.
Okay.
This is several in a row here, but each individual one gets about 3x3 to 4x4.
Okay.
And here's the best part. Every spring when you prune it, you can cut this back by 1/3, even 1/2.
All right, so I can cut it back pretty aggressively then.
Yeah, you can cut it back hard, and it's still going to produce all these beautiful prolific blooms.
Speaking of which, okay, I love that it's this sort of citrusy color. It's really pretty. I love it. But do they stay this color, and how long do they bloom?
Okay, so here's what's awesome. Bobo Hydrangea is just starting out midsummer with its blooms, and you're right, it starts this like citrusy kind of white. These flowers are going to get bigger, they're going to get bright white, and then Kelly, they will bloom all the way into the fall.
Love it.
And one of your favorite colors are going to turn.
Pink?
Yes. So
oh my God, so it's going to be so cute.
Yes,
These,
it will be cute.
This, but so pink. Oh, perfect. I love it.
It's going to turn into that really pinkish red, so it's perfect in your fall landscape.
Now, okay, I love to cut my flowers too.
I know you do.
So can I cut this and like bring it inside for a bouquet?
Yes, Kelly, I think this is the perfect plant for you because you can cut flowers off of this, and since it's such a prolific bloomer, it'll still look gorgeous in the landscape, but you can also bring bouquets inside.
So you can enjoy it inside and out.
Yeah, is your yard sunny or shady? What?
So I do, that's a good point. I get a lot of sun. Will this work?
Totally. This is a hydrangea that will work in full sun to part shade, and it is literally one of the most reliable bloomers. You will get blooms on this every year, guaranteed.
Perfect. I love it.
So guess what, Kel? I got you a little parting gift. I got you your own Bobo Hydrangea to bring home.
It's so cute. Look at this, you guys. It's got these like perfect little blooms, even this small, and it's so compact. I love it.
And you know what's awesome, Kel? Because you have a small yard, you can put this in a container on your front porch because it is a perfect container plant.
I love it. Thank you so much, Stacey.
You're welcome. Bobo Hydrangea, the plant of the week. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.